Fuck. Greetings and salutations, my lovely peeps. I have a special package right here with me right now. This is a fragrance that I recently saw on TikTok and it seemed to be getting a lot of hype lately. So guess what? I decided I want to try the fragrance and it is from the house of Lattafa. So I'm going to open this package and I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about this fragrance. So before I cut into this beautiful package here, I just want to say to my returning residents, thank you so much for being loyal. And to those of you who are firstly tuning in, I hope you enjoy stay and smash that subscribe button. Now let's get straight into the package. I have my handy dandy knife. I'm going to cut into this package here. This is from the house of Lattafa fragrance. I tried the first offering from this line, or should I say this fragrance. It is none other than, drum roll please, it is none other than the one itself that's called Ajwad, and it is Ajwad Pink to Pink. Yo, people, I don't sing gender in fragrance. I really don't. So if I like the fragrance, I'm going to try the fragrance. And I'm going to tell you what I think about the fragrance. And that's exactly what I'm about to do. So this one is Ajwad Pink to Pink. Let's see if it's something that is definitely pink in my opinion, alright? So, you don't know. Cutting tool again. As Big Beard B normally say, fuck the box. Honestly, I am one that's big on presentation and I don't fuck the box. So this is the one that I'm going to open now. Yo, it does look a bit girly, but guess what? I don't care. Scent is very objective, and guess what, guys? This come out pretty easier than the last one that I had. See, it's pretty easy. So pink to pink. Let me spray this one and tell you exactly what I think. Pink to pink, let me tell you what I think. Let's go. So, wooden cap, really, really nice. The bottle design is really, really nice as well. Very smooth. It's really simple. I like it. But let's go. I like to go directly on skin. Here. Nothing is on my arm. Let's go. Just 2 sprays is all I need. I don't need more than that. Ooh, fuck. Fuckity fuck. Initially, this reminded me so much as Oud Maracuja from Maison Crivelli. However, I don't think this is a replication of that. But it does give that passion fruit or something very fruity in the opening. That's what I'm getting. Not sure if there's leather in this one, but this one is super fruity. Well, I was not expecting that. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I was not expecting that on a first impression. Yo, this is so freaking good. Whoa. Hold on. I have to get my phone. I need to see the notes on this one. Hold on. I haven't done any research on the fragrance because I'm trying not to be influenced or anything. So I thought to myself that, hey, I saw persons trying this fragrance and said that they like it, so why not try it myself? This is Lattafa Ajwad Pink to Pink. Yo, this smells so freaking good, yo. Guava. So it's not passion, it's yo. So it has the top notes guava, pink, grapefruit, lychee. What is lychee or lychee, and pink pepper. The middle notes rose, peony, magnolia. The base note leather, musk, ambergris, vanilla, and musk. I definitely was picking up the leather in this one, but this smells so freaking good. Especially it does remind me of the Oud Maracuja initially when I first sprayed it, but this is really freaking good. Yo, for our first impression, I am pretty much impressed with this one. So guys, you should try this one, ladies. Get this one if you haven't tried it as yet. This is really, really nice and it's dirt cheap as well. So try the fragrance and let me know what you think. This is my honest and first impression on the fragrance. If I'm going to rate this one, based on the first initial impression, I'm going to give this one a solid 8 out of 10. Pretty decent fragrance. I like it. I'm not sure it wears on skin as yet, so I'm going to test it out myself and see if I really like it later on. But that's it in terms of a first impression. I hope you enjoyed the video as well, and leave your thoughts down in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and share the video as well. Thank you so much. Peace. I am out.